When do you actually get time in your shop? For most of us, shop time doesn't happen in these big, uninterrupted chunks. It happens in the mornings, the early evenings, or whenever the house finally goes quiet. Those windows of time are super fragile. I've had plenty of nights where turning on machines would mean waking up my entire family. Hand tools gave me a way to keep my projects moving without waiting for the perfect moment. Being able to make quiet progress in those off hours can sometimes mean the difference between staying consistent with woodworking or slowly losing momentum.